Man, who needs a pickup truck when you got a 55 AMG? Well, any W163 for that matter. Little V6 will tote this load, and it'll fit. Yeah, that's a lot of steel. Whole lot of steel. About to be bumpers. About to be roof racks. Winch plates ready to cut on top. It's a whole sheet, 1/4 inch steel on the roof. Mercedes builds them tough, man. Mercedes builds them tough. Yeah, it's all good. It's all secure. About to head down the highway. Man, it ain't even squatting. Mercedes, another win. Let's get busy. Hey guys, what's up? John Infidel Garage. Welcome to another episode of see if we can put 35s on a soccer mom car. Well, I got the bumper removed, and that went perfect according to plan. Nope. No, it didn't. This thing was a lot more fragile than anticipated. Thought I was going to be able to at least save the little exhaust surrounds. You know, maybe post them on eBay for some change. And, help fund this project a little bit. Nope. It's all trash. All just junk. Normally I have to take a Sawzall of these things and cut them up so they can fit in the damn trash can. Wasn't even necessary. Damn thing fell apart. Got some brains over here. Nope. That's not brains. That's spray foam. Somebody backed into this or got rear-ended or something. You guys saw it when I first got it. I sprayed over it so it didn't look so stupid. But yeah, pinkish orange brain colored freaking spray foam, and yeah, it was holding it together literally by bubble gum. So the plan is, since this is trash, no, the plan always was, get rid of that, get rid of this factory steel bumper that's on here. Per the usual, gonna come in here, cut it right off the frame. Weld in the new Infidel Garage rear bumper mounting piece. It's going to be 2x3 steel. Probably throw a little, whatever you call it, up at the top. A little link for you guys, or else the link will be in the description for a video showing all of that. How to remove this thing for you guys purchasing or looking to do something similar for a rear bumper. This is going to be a dual swing out. Tire carrier over here, fuel jug over here. It's pretty awesome stuff. Just like the last one, might come up with, some improvements here and there. But maybe two things that I might be able to sell off this. Anybody need a tow hitch? I'm not going to need it. Make me an offer. Probably throw it up on eBay store or something. I got that. And the cover that goes over that. Luckily, it wasn't attached to this thing, or it probably would have fell apart as well. But I do have that cover. It is in good condition, and it's a forest green, whatever color this thing is. Hint, it's not staying this color. This isn't the greatest paint in the world. It doesn't really have a ding in it anywhere, but the paint is definitely Mako quality, if that. So that's not staying. Exhaust tips. Those are staying on the car. Those are definitely staying, but they're not staying there. Stay tuned. We got another video coming up soon for the relocation of the exhaust tips. You're going to like it, I promise. Alright, disassembly of all the plastic pieces is complete. Now we just got to actually start chopping off metal. So, front bumper is gone. In great condition, going up for sale. Side skirts, gone. Pretty good condition, going up for sale. And rear bumper, gone. Not for sale, in the trash. I think I've got to get some cheese wire or something. Try and pull this back piece off. There's no No bolts visibly holding it on. There's nothing under here like on the other models, the non-AMGs. So I think I'm going to try and get this off. I think it's glued on from what I've looked up. So another piece, I'd say mint, almost mint condition. Pretty damn good. That's going up for sale. So bumper, side skirts, and front bumper off. So next step, I got to get up in here with my favorite tool, the old back and forth saw. Get up in here, chop this cross member out, and then the actual bumper will have room to cut it across there. Get this thing off and make us a cross member to go in there.